Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Sissie, the Truck Driving Dog. Hi there, my name is Sissie and I'm a dog, a very clever one to be exact. I love my job. All day long I sleep and I sleep and then I sleep some more. But at night I have a different job. Shh, hold the book closer and I'll whisper to you, but please don't tell Pete. At night I drive trucks. Okay, Pete drives them during the day and I drive them at night. Every night I can't wait to wake up and see what kind of truck I get to drive. Sometimes I get to drive big trucks and sometimes I get to drive little trucks. Sometimes they are 18-wheelers. Those are fun. Sometimes they're dump trucks, sometimes they're a mail truck, sometimes they're a sentiment mixer, sometimes they're bulldozers. Once I even got a tractor. I have no idea where Pete got that one. I liked it though. I have to tell you, I didn't always drive trucks. I just wanted to drive trucks. I watched Pete and I watched him. And then I watched him some more. I learned everything about trucks. But I had a problem. I'm short. I couldn't reach the pedals, so I thought. Then I scratched my ear. Then I had one idea. A ridiculously brilliant idea. I can use my water bowl. After that idea, my life got a whole lot better. Now I get to drive trucks every night. I love driving. Every moment it is a thrill, a festivity on wheels. Driving is what I was born to do. But please don't tell Pete. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!